To fix the problem where you cannot download the system update on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to click on About Phone Information, and then we can go into Xiaomi HyperOS logo. Click on it. Inside, if there's any update pending and you cannot download it, there might be one reason. First of all, there's the Wi-Fi. If you are not connected to the Wi-Fi and don't have mobile data activated for the downloads of system updates, it won't work. So you either need to connect to the Wi-Fi network or activate the option that I will show you right now. If you want to download update through the mobile data, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, navigate to the update settings, and then activate download using mobile data. You can turn it on automatic downloads from 21 to turn off automatic downloads on 23:30 and adjust the times right here. Also, make sure if you want to download updates automatically to activate this switch right here and this switch to install them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.